Click on the link below to get price. The Nothing Phone 2 is a refreshing entry into the competitive smartphone market, backed by the innovative ethos of Nothing Technology Limited. Right from the unboxing experience, the minimalistic design philosophy shines through. The device features a unique transparent aesthetic that sets it apart from conventional smartphones. The LED glyph interface on the back not only adds a stylish touch but also enhances functionality, allowing for customizable notifications and alerts. Equipped with the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor, the performance is nothing short of impressive. Whether multitasking between heavy applications, gaming, or streaming high-definition content, the Phone 2 handles everything with ease, showcasing remarkable speed and responsiveness. The 8GB or 12GB of RAM options ensure smooth performance, allowing users to navigate seamlessly through various tasks without noticeable lag. The 6.7-inch AMOLED display boasts a vibrant resolution and excellent color accuracy, making it ideal for media consumption. Brightness levels are impressive, even in direct sunlight, ensuring that users can enjoy their favorite shows or games without any strain. The 120Hz refresh rate further enhances the smoothness of interactions, whether scrolling through social media or playing fast-paced games. Photography enthusiasts will appreciate the dual camera setup, which delivers stunning results in various lighting conditions. The main 50MP sensor captures rich detail and vivid colors, while the ultra-wide lens adds versatility for dynamic shots. The software features, including night mode and various filters, enhance the photographic experience, making it enjoyable for both amateurs and seasoned photographers. Battery life is another strong point for the Nothing Phone 2, lasting well throughout the day even with heavy usage. Coupled with fast charging capabilities, it minimizes downtime, allowing users to stay connected longer. Overall, the Nothing Phone 2 successfully combines innovative design with robust performance, making it a compelling choice for anyone looking for a unique and efficient smartphone experience. The thoughtful integration of aesthetics and functionality makes it a standout option in today's smartphone landscape.